Our hair is a crown of natural beauty. It is a manifestation of God's creativity. It is a symbol of love and care with which we were created. This is how it feels doing your wash day in the village. In this video, I'm going to show you a realistic day for me here in the village when I'm doing my wash day. And this is what I will be using. In this pot I have some hot water. I will be using hot water, and then here I have my basin, and here I have my fresh cold water. This is borehole water. It is very fresh, it is not salty, so that is what I'll be using. And I also have my shampoo and conditioner. And these shampoo and conditioner, they are just normal shampoos and normal conditioner. Actually, they are not sulfate free, but that is what I have at the moment, and that is what I'm going to use because I have to wash my hair and I will use what I have. So enjoy the whole process, enjoy the video. The first thing that I will do, I will start by washing my scalp, and that is I will start by using my shampoo. And as you watch this video, you will realize that I will shampoo my hair like twice because my hair was very dirty, and I did the first thing I shampooed, washed, then I did again another shampoo, I washed, and then now after that's when I was now able to apply my conditioner after I was sure that my scalp was now clean. second round I will shampoo, and then now after I will condition the hair. I'm done shampooing, and now I'm going to apply my conditioner. Yes. So I'm now done, and the next thing that I'm gonna do is apply my DIY deep conditioner, and then I will be done and I will rebraid my mini braids back. What I'm applying is a mixture of avocado, banana and egg. That is what I'll be applying as my deep conditioner, and then I will wait for around 30 minutes or an hour, then I will rinse, and then now I will sit down and start the process of rebraiding each braid back, and that is how I normally retain my length every month. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, and also if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. See you next time.